Today I'm gonna repair this A4tech TL8 gaming mouse. I have been using this mouse about 4 or 5 years, but last year he started to register double click instead of a single click on the left mouse button. Real annoying to work on, trust me. It's a good mouse, and after a while I decided to fix him. These are his main features. You can try to clean this spring, but after a few minutes of tinkering, I concluded that the best way is to use old button from broken donor mouse. I decided to use the right mouse button because it's generally less used than left, so it will probably work longer. I didn't notice that I was out of shot. This is the part where I solder back donor button. After that, all what is left is to assemble everything back. For you who are wondering, does it work now? Well, I should say that this video could not be edited without him. Thanks for watching, and if you like my video, consider subscribing and hitting that like button. See you next time.